units, vehicle reported stolen with a 16-year-old male asleep in the back seat. Be on the lookout for a green Chevy Malibu. License plate 3 Kilo Mike.
Dispatch 1023, locate the suspect vehicle.
Dispatch to 1023. Is the victim in the vehicle?
Negative. Dispatch 1023, I hear some yelling. I'll be out on foot.
Copy that, 1023. Sending backup. All units, Volo Green Malibu found vacant. Request backup and UAV assist.
Dispatch, this is Officer Brady. I'm approximately 5 minutes out.
Copy, dispatch, UAV en route.
Dispatch, there's an echo. I can't seem to pinpoint the location of that altercation.
Officer Gomez, I've got a UAV pilot on scene and backup is on the way. Can you give your current location?
Negative. Can you pull up the live stream?
Stream is live. We've got your position. Officer Brady, head northeast to Officer Gomez location. Use your phone to find him.
Copy that, dispatch. I've got him on my map.
We have eyes on a suspicious building due west of your current location. Adult male appears to be pounding on the door.
Police! Don't move! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
The man wearing the baseball cap is our victim. His name is Mark.
Copy that, dispatch. Mark.
Be advised, the victim is autistic.
Hey, Mark, come here, buddy. Police, don't move! Don't move! Police, don't move!
Officer Gomez, we have eyes on the suspect and the unit is set to intercept.
Police, stop! See your hands! See your hands! Got a taser! See your hands! Hands up!
I didn't take the kid!
Hands up!
I didn't take the kid!
Put your hands up where I can see you!
I'm not going back to jail!
You won't be tased!
I didn't take the kid! He was in the car!
Taser,
He
taser,
was
taser!
in the car!
Nicely done, team. We'll have your camera footage downloaded remotely. It'll be waiting